Okay, welcome back to the CSS shortcuts. Today, I'm saving your life again. As a beginner, if you are using CSS, you always want to type everything. But today, I'm going to continue to give you the rest of the shortcuts. So just pay attention right here. Now, if you want to call opacity as usual, OP, and then add your value, the percentage, and then hit enter. Okay, so OP, add your percentage and hit enter. All right, now display grid. Okay, so DG, display grid, then hit enter. All right, so DG, enter. When someone see you coding fast like that, hold the person think. All right, so the next thing is the trick for border. All right, sometimes our element, we want the border to be at the bottom, or only at the top, or only at the right or the left. Okay, so the shortcuts for calling border is BD. Okay, now BD, the VS Code will give you the border and then give you the pixels and also solid and the color. All right, the type and the color. All right, so hit enter. From there you can change it to your liking. Okay, this will save your time. All right, so BD, enter. All right, simple like that. Okay, BD, enter. And when you want the border to be at the left, okay, just say BDR. All right, then to give you the border to the right, 1 pixel, the type solid, and also the color. Okay, so just put this shortcut in your mind and then it will help you code like a pro. Okay, BDR, and there you go. All right, now if you want the border to be at the left, you know it already. If I don't say this, you automatically know what I mean. All right, so BDL, border left, hit enter. All right, again BDL, hit enter. And that's how to call the border left. The same thing applies to the border bottom. All right, so BDB, all right, hit enter. Okay, so border bottom, okay, hit enter, and there you go. The same thing applies to the border top. Okay, so BDT, hit enter. All right, this will save your time. BDT, hit enter. Okay, so just keep all these shortcuts in your mind, and then whenever you are coding your HTML and CSS, you already know the shortcut for HTML, and then you already know the shortcut for CSS, which will put a smile on your face whenever you are coding, because if you don't know the shortcuts, coding looks very overwhelming. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, follow me, and also share this video to your friend.